Today, we're going to a country where the people have a lot of money, but few places to spend it. The people of this country are considered some of the happiest in the world. The pig population here is several times larger than the human population, and everyone knows how to swim. Every second person you meet will have a name like Peter. Today, we're traveling to Denmark. This video is full of fascinating and interesting information. Please subscribe to our channel, Clockwork. Your support is our motivation. Like and share this video with your friends. Denmark, officially known as the Kingdom of Denmark, is a Nordic country in Northern Europe. It shares a border with Germany to the south and is surrounded by the Baltic Sea to the east and the North Sea to the west. Denmark is considered one of the happiest countries in the world. The Danish flag is the oldest national flag in the world, having been in use since 1219. The history of Denmark is not found in written documents but in stones. 9th century stones found in the town of Jelling tell the story of this country. Denmark is also known as the Barn of Europe, because it is the world's largest exporter of pork. There are huge farms where pigs are bred. According to a report, the number of pigs in Denmark is several times larger than the human population. About 95% of the meat used in hotels and restaurants is pork. The country has an area of 42,943 square kilometers, making it the 130th largest country in the world by size. About 1.74% of this area is water. Denmark is a beautiful country rich in natural beauty. The Prime Minister of Denmark is Mette Frederiksen. Greenland and the Faroe Islands are part of the Kingdom of Denmark, but they are autonomous territories. According to a census in February 2023, the total population of Denmark is about 5.9 million people, making it the 112th most populous country in the world. About 86% of the people are Danish, and the remaining 13.9% belong to other nations, including foreigners. In terms of religion, about 75.8% are Christians, 19.1% have no religion, 4.4% are Muslim, and the remaining 0.7% belong to other religions. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen, which is also the country's largest city. The city has an area of 90.1 square kilometers. The highest point in the city is 299 feet, and the lowest is 3 feet. The population of the city is about 656,787 people. Copenhagen is also the most populated city in Denmark. Famous places in the city include the Christiansborg Palace, the Tivoli Gardens, and the Øresund Bridge. The bridge is a marvel of modern engineering, as half of it is on land and half is submerged under the sea. This bridge connects Denmark to Sweden. Millions of dollars worth of goods are imported and exported, and millions of people travel through it every year. Do you know about the Bluetooth function on all your mobile devices? It was named after the second king of Denmark, Harald Bluetooth Gormson. This king united the different kingdoms of Scandinavia, just as Bluetooth connects different devices. Denmark's only land border is with Germany. All other borders are with water. The world-famous Lurpak Butter Company is also from Denmark. This company was introduced on October 23, 1901. Its owner is Arla Foods, and the butter is sold in 75 countries. Whether this butter is made from cow's milk or from pigs, we don't know, so Muslims should be careful. After the Netherlands, Denmark is the second largest country in the world where the number of bicycles is more than the number of people. Every citizen uses a bicycle for all their work, from going to the market to going to the office. In the morning, you will see nothing but bicycles on the roads. The people here take great care of their fitness. The capital, Copenhagen, is beautiful with its colorful buildings. Tourists flock here day and night. Millions of people visit every year, which is a major part of the country's economy. You will find hotels, cafes, and restaurants everywhere, with an abundance of non-halal food. Halal food is very hard to find. The Danish people, like in other European countries, consume a lot of wine and beer. Bars and pubs are open until late at night, and you will find large crowds of people everywhere. If you are in Denmark in June, just yell out, "Peter," and 30 out of 100 people will turn to look at you. Peter is a very common name here. According to a 2022 report, the GDP of Denmark is $416.568 billion, and the per capita income is $70,924. This makes them the 11th highest earners in the world. People in Denmark have a high income but low expenses. The cost of living is very low compared to many other countries. People save their money and travel to other countries every year. The country has an extensive road network. People drive on the right side of the road. There are excellent bus, tram, and taxi services. The train network also covers the entire country, and there is a metro system in the cities to avoid traffic. Denmark is a developed country and a founding member of NATO, the Nordic Council, and the United Nations. The national bird is the mute swan, and the national sport is running, but football is also very popular. The national dish is stegt flæsk, which is made of pork or fish with boiled potatoes. The weather is mostly cold here. Even in the summer months, it's not very hot. The weather is mostly moderate and cold all year round. The country has 21 airports for national and international flights. The national airline is the Scandinavian airline system. Corruption is almost non-existent in Denmark. The people are considered the happiest in the world. The Danish people drink a lot of coffee because of the cold weather. The Danish are reserved and prefer to socialize with their friends rather than strangers. The biggest sources of income are electrical accessories, pork, tourism, and oil. Denmark sells millions of barrels of oil to the world every year. It also exports medical equipment. The Danish currency is the Danish krone. 1 krone is equal to about 42.24 Pakistani rupees and 11.95 Indian rupees. The capital, Copenhagen, is known for its fast-paced nightlife. Dance clubs, bars, and other places of sin are open all night. You'll find crowds of people everywhere. Girls in skimpy clothes enjoy the nightlife. Many girls are seen passed out on the roads and sidewalks from drinking. The beaches of Denmark are also as liberal as those in other European countries. The largest and #1 university is the University of Copenhagen. It is one of the best universities in the world. There are almost no mosques in Denmark, which is a source of sadness for the Muslim community here. Muslim families get together in private places for their religious activities. The Danish people are not welcoming to Muslims. The calling code is +45, and the internet domain is .dk. Denmark, along with the Faroe Islands and Greenland, covers an area of 2,210,579 square kilometers. Only 44,493 square kilometers are populated. Where the capital Copenhagen is located, the land of Denmark is flat and fertile. The beautiful beaches are a major tourist attraction. The monarchy was established in the 8th century. In 1397, Denmark signed a treaty with Norway and Sweden to form the Kalmar Union, which lasted until 1523. In the 19th century, because of wars, the country went through a lot. In 1849, the monarchy ended, and a parliamentary system was established. Denmark was neutral in the First World War but was occupied by German forces in the Second World War. It gained its freedom on May 5, 1945. Friends, this was our informative and interesting video. How did you like it? Please share your thoughts in the comments. And for new viewers, please subscribe and like our channel. Your love is our motivation.